Day 2 has started. Hey again, welcome back to day 2 of our Nagoya trip. Where are we now?
We are now at
Ohayo.
Good morning.
Ooh, here's your French toast.
Look at my breakfast. I got French toast and
Washoku set for me. Yeah, Japanese style. We are at the restaurant. Breakfast buffet. Well, this one's set, but
semi-buffet.
yeah, there's also a buffet with vegetables, snacks, and desserts.
Yep.
This is day 2 of our Nagoya trip. But first, itadakimasu.
And here's our room. Okay. Actually, this isn't our first day here. So, it's already a bit
Used.
I'll show you guys the bathroom. It's bigger than usual Japanese hotel bathrooms. A little bit bigger because there's space between the toilet and the bathtub. Anyway, that's our super short room tour. And what do you have?
It's Kamichiki flavored potato chips from Berlinuno.
Yes. Where are we going?
Away! Away! It's the Richmond Hotel.
And this is the bus stop.
No, that way.
We are now at Atsuta Shrine.
Atsuta Shrine. Ooh, and there's the Tori, one of them. What is Atsuta Shrine, my lady?
I have no idea.
I have no idea. This is the second biggest shrine in all of Japan.
Is it really?
Yeah. Going to explore the shrine. Are you excited, Ida-chan?
Yes.
Ate.
Let's go.
Oh, I mean, I knew this shrine was going to be big, but it looks to be more than that. Very big. Yeah, it's a tiny bit. Yeah, this is a very big complex of shrines, gardens, and what have you. There is a ship in the middle of this pond, and there are so many people enjoying their ice cream and stuff. Look at this formation, rock formation.
It looks like a turtle.
Turtle! Yeah. Ooh, it's more Kinda feels more like a theme park than a shrine.
Yeah.
As of the moment. So there's the sake barrels. You might have seen this in nowhere. Uda?
Meiji Jingu.
Yeah, Meiji Jingu. That should be the most famous one.
Yeah.
But they're all over. Many shrines. And it's a very big, very old tree. Here's a very nice, very young specimen.
I thought you were gonna say very old.
Tree? No. You just had your 24th birthday. Happy birthday.
Yes, thank you.
Yeah. We're trying to find the main shrine because there are many, many shrines in this complex. But we're heading to the biggest one first, or the main one first. Ne?
Yes.
Ne?
And there's some history.
Yeah, history for you. Hello. We have found the main shrine.
Yep.
Yeah. This is as far as we can get near it. Yeah, in order to film it. Yeah. Ah, sumimasen. Up there you can't, but we were able to see it up close. Yeah.
There's a line.
There's
to
a
get
long
up
line.
close to.
Yeah.
What's interesting about this shrine?
Shrine. This is the dwelling places of Amaterasu, the sun goddess of Japan. And here's another goddess.
That's where you can get the souvenirs.
Where? Oh yeah. The omamori, the omikuji, amulets and fortunes, what have you.
Nice.
We are where?
We're at Shirotori Garden Park.
Yeah.
300 yen each.
Well, viewers, come join us as we explore this Japanese-style garden. Do you like gardens? I sure do. Just like I like my wife. I like my plants.
Here's the classic wooden bridge.
can get up close and personal with a fish.
I really like these areas to rest.
Apparently each one has a name.
And that's the name of this one.
It's as big or bigger than the one we went to in Tokyo. There's a nice contrast between this traditional looking view and a more modern art installation-esque pond. And then there's my Ida-chan. It's a combination of traditional and modern.
Mm-hmm.
What does that mean?
It means I'm old but still alive. Here's our food. Then I have black tea, Japanese black tea. And Ryuichi has
Matcha.
matcha.
This is Wanuki.
Wanuki.
So it's like a meringue pancake.
Yeah, pancake with anko. Ooh, looks good. Alright, itadakimasu.
Taste test.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, so that. Oh wow. That's like equal parts salty and sweet.
Wow.
Super fluffy. Oh. It's just not your regular pancake.
How about your matcha?
And then matcha super good as per usual. Yeah.